Just some random shit. And someone who sounded like Morty from Rick and Morty. Please enjoy. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, Miffy.
Is that your friend?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Welcome.
Dude, just started trying to find a beehive or so.
Good luck.
Shit.
Dead end. That's a person. Nothing. Absolutely jack. Fish sticks.
So there's so many
There's
axles here.
There you go.
Large axle again.
Why is there so many flipping big axles?
Alright, let's bring these back, I guess.
So that's one.
There's two more objects. Yes.
You really like to organize, don't you, Miffy?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw a trick where someone was like, they can jump along these railings here.
He's really determined. Just don't die, okay?
Or you go to this one here.
Where's the loot?
That door's locked.
Key, let's find a key. There's a turret right there, there's a turret right there. I'm good. Big boat.
Oh!
See?
Yeah. We just have to go that way and try to make sure we're safe.
Yeah, go right ahead. I tried. I'm almost dead.
Never mind. There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Frig is that? Hello?
Hello.
Hey, Miffy. Did you make it up those pipes?
Yeah.
Nice. Big boat. I'm gonna try and kill one of them. Hey, come on. Just wanna be here. Come on. Okay.
Oh! Oh,
What the? It's on the ground.
go, 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 go. Oh, the shovel. Nice. How'd you get his body? I don't even see it.
And grab it before it goes away.
Damn, clutch. I don't think we made quota, to be honest.
Someone has to be sacrificed for the company.
No! Give me the shovel. Get out, Gage.
Oh, let me break my leg.
Why can't I get that shovel, huh?
I don't trust.
Oh.
Okay, it's full.
Nice. Did you click the bell?
We have 976. Wow.
Damn.
Damn, Daniels.
Oh god, no. Do not bring that beam. Do not bring that beam. I never understood that meme neither. Damn, Daniel.
Wait.
Game with them white vans.
Miffy, you alive? Miffy? 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 Nice.
Yeah.
Miffy? Oh
Yeah,
I see.
I'm just fighting it. I'm just fighting it.
He's alive. He's alive.
Don't come in, don't come in, don't come in.
Yeah, hit him with the shovel. Hit him with the shovel.
Yeah!
I got it!
Let's go.
Nice.
If we find another nutcracker, we're gonna kill it, and we're gonna have two shotguns.
I hear one. Come. Right here.
Okay.
Hair dryer.
No,
Oh, hi.
No, he's in there.
Yeah, he's in there. He's in there.
Shoot him!
Yeah.
There you go. Let's
Hey!
go!
We got two shotguns.
How do you know if it's reloaded or not?
Press E on your shotgun. Loaded.
Nice.
Upstairs?
Yeah, over
Yep,
here.
concerts.
There's a that's a thing.
Yo!
That's a thing.
Okay, let's.
You suck, Chester.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, got it. Okay, thank goodness. Woohoo!
Hey.
I'm joking.
That.
Ow!
Oh, whoa, guys.
Safety on.
I have a
Safety
shovel.
on.
Don't try.
Yeah.
You
You just
can't. You
hit
brought a
me.
shovel to a gunfight.
Wait.
Yeah, I did. I'm right here.
Oh my! Scary. Waka waka.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, what's up?
No, you're holding something, you're holding something!
What? Oh, I'm holding a shovel.
Tom? Bruh. The shovel's electric, man.
Hey, dang. Big room. Big room.
Big room.
Big
Nice.
room. Key. Need the key. Key.
You need a key?
I need the key. Hey, look, a room.
Flashlight. Jar of pickles.
Nice. Holy scheiße. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
Hey, whoa.
What the heck?
Let's put the safety on, okay?
Whoa! Nice.
We just
Did you click the bell?
I was on the ship.
I'm sorry, Neve.
Look what you did. You costed us 261.
Wow.
You rang the bell and so it makes me got killed.
I only rang it twice.
Okay, so
Oh.
Good night, neo-Nazi.
yeah, see ya.
We don't do that here. My apologies. My apologies to calling you a Nazi.
It's okay. Good night.
I don't think we have enough quota anyway.
Yeah.
No. Nah, and we can't get anywhere. We can't get into any locked rooms if we need to either.
Oh, shit.
Hey guys, ready? Let's go.
Only if you say please.
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 Hey.
Hey.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm in the big room.
You're in the big room? I think I'm in the big room too. Oh, is
Oh, you're stuck.
Hi.
You have a key?
Let me
Anyone
see.
found the key?
Is there anyone? Yeah, I'm stuck.
Top.
I'm stuck.
Top it.
You found the key? You found the key? All around me, familiar faces
Oh my god, you scared me. I'm looking for you. Hold on.
I am locked in here forever.
Hey, Tom, guess what?
Hey, what?
You got great.
Oh my goodness, no way! Fresh air! I can
Was there
walk!
anything in there?
Nothing was flipping in there. Nothing.
Where is it?
I know, right?
Where?
What's over? Hi.
Are you okay?
Now. I see him.
You're such a showstopper. This is where I was gonna take people.
Sorry.
Nope. You hurt my feelings.
I'm sorry. But
You hit
bird
his
feet.
feelings.
Bird feet though.
Fire.
Check this out.
All I see is white.
That was sick.
Oh. And that's a spider.
Oh, spider! Ah!
There's a spider.
Spider.
Spider, mate.
There's a spider in our midst.
89.
Oh, they're on the ceiling. They're on the ceiling. and there's a snare flea too. There's a
Hey,
snare
look
flea.
at those. Look at those.
I'm just gonna go back to the ship.
Sounds correct. Do it, man. Oh no, I'm getting teleported. Hey.
Hi.
No, I have a key. I have a key. I have
You
a key.
have a key. You had a key, man.
The $3 key?
You gotta add it to the collection.
You have a key collection?
It's 4 keys in there.
I hate you. You should have 5.
He's filling up his hole.
A lot
You
for
want to
that,
see
'cause I
me
kept
do a
bringing
pro
it,
gamer
yeah.
move?
What's your gamer move?
Die.
No.
You go,
What
That's
did
it?
you name the
Unless,
fish?
Gerald.
Bird feet.
Okay.
Cheryl.
I thought it was bird feet.
It's a big
Why
spider.
is this a big... That's a
Right
big
here, spider.
spider right there. It's upstairs.
Oh, where is he?
It's
Oh,
upstairs.
you heard it. Oh!
Get back, get back.
Yeah, I'm getting there. He's sitting there.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. The expert
Oh!
This way, this way.
Miffy. Where's
Big
this
Miffy.
big act?
You can do
Hello?
the glitch.
Yeah. Hey, we're doing the glitch, Miffy.
I tried, I died.
Okay, well, hopefully I don't die.
I think you're fine. But no, so.
Hey, I'm slow as bollocks. I'm
Yeah,
hungry
drop
for
this
some
stuff here.
burritos right
I wanna breathe.
now.
Look at the wall. He put the module on the wall.
He's a Houdini magician. Okay.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Nipple.
Pineapple!
Pineapple.
There's loot as fuck in this room.
Yeah, heavy as boy. Oh, there's a whoopee cushion. Oh, this old.
Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna get you.
Thank you.
Bruh. He died. Yo, vote to leave, vote to leave, vote to leave.
Yep, I did. Already on it. That was so
Bro, he was
close.
going to grab Lou. Why'd you do that, you beautiful being, you?
What the frick?
He doesn't realize.
Frickety frack is he doing with my body?
Should put you on the toilet.
Why you send us home early?
We were both dead.
Oh, I wasn't looking at the monitor. My bad. But I was orgamatizing. I like cool stuff to be orgamatized.
You and Miffy would be great friends. He's just a random person I met online like 2 weeks ago.
We bonded over burritos.
Yep.
It's pretty. That's some pretty important
Fish.
shit right there, burritos.
That's what I was
Oh
saying.
yeah. Do you like hot sauce?
Oh,
I'm Asian, I love hot sauce. I love anything
Good,
spicy.
good, good. Sriracha's pretty good.
Yeah, sriracha is good, also some Mexican hot sauces. Right?
oh yeah. I mean, I know it's not official Mexican hot sauce, but everyone's tapatio, you know.
You know the YouTube series, the Hot Ones?
Yeah,
I tried their hot sauce and it's pretty good.
yeah.
Yeah, I've been wanting to try them.
It's actually really good. Why'd you start the shit, man?
Yeah, man.
Only because I knew the Bracken was in there and quota was today, and we had way enough to meet quota.
But we could get more money.
Yeah, more money.
I wanted to be safe and not have to lose.
Life is about taking risk. This isn't life, but
Wait, this isn't life.
he doesn't know.
I've been suffering for the company. What do you mean? Hey, Tom,
Hey, hey.
it's probing time.
Ooh.
Alright, we're good.
I'm gonna need to sit down after that.
No, don't sit down.
It's too late.
Why is your keys on the table?
You don't ask questions.
Who put that there?
We don't ask questions.
Reveal yourself.